Hi students, today we are going to do the practice set 1.3 of standard 10th chapter Similarity of Geometry. Before doing this practice set, we should understand some concepts which are related to this practice set. Here, the types of similarity of triangles. For similarity of two triangles, the necessary conditions are that first, their corresponding sides are in same proportion and their corresponding angles are congruent. So आप सबको मालूम है, जैसे हमने फर्स्ट लेक्चर में देखा था कि कोई भी दो ट्राइंगल्स को सिमिलर होने के लिए यहाँ पे हमें दो कंडीशंस फुलफिल करनी चाहिए. जैसे ऑल साइड्स, करस्पॉन्डिंग साइड्स, मतलब जब दो ट्राइंगल्स है तो उसका एक साइड जो दूसरे ट्राइंगल्स के करस्पॉन्डिंग साइड से मिलता है, मतलब 1-to-1 करस्पॉन्डेंस में. सो वो दोनों साइड्स सेम प्रोपोर्शन में होने चाहिए और वैसे बाकी के भी साइड्स. एंड करस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल्स आर कॉन्ग्रुएंट, और जो उससे करस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल्स है वो भी क्या होने चाहिए, कॉन्ग्रुएंट. सो यहां पे वैसे देखा जाए तो 3 + 3 मतलब 6 पैरामीटर्स हुए. आउट ऑफ दीज कंडीशंस, when 3 specific conditions are fulfilled, मतलब जो 6 कंडीशंस है उन 6 कंडीशंस में से अगर 3 कंडीशंस अगर हम फुलफिल कर दे तो रिमेनिंग कंडीशंस आर ऑटोमेटिकली फुलफिल्ड. मतलब दो ट्राइंगल्स अपने आप सिमिलर हो जाएंगे. सो 6 कंडीशंस में से 6 कंडीशंस कौन से, तो 3 साइड्स, मतलब एक ट्राइंगल के 3 साइड्स दूसरे ट्राइंगल के 3 करस्पॉन्डिंग साइड से प्रोपोर्शनेट होने चाहिए और 3 एंगल्स एक ट्राइंगल के दूसरे ट्राइंगल से कॉन्ग्रुएंट होने चाहिए. सो वैसे ये जो 6 कंडीशंस हुई, आई मीन टू से 6 पैरामीटर्स, मतलब अगर हम लोग 6 तरीके से याद रखें इसे, तो उनमें से अगर हम लोग 3 कंडीशंस भी अगर फुलफिल कर जाए तो वो ट्राइंगल्स अपने आप सिमिलर हो जाते हैं. सो यहां पे हमें कुछ टेस्ट समझने हैं. वो 3 कंडीशंस कौन से, तो फर्स्ट है AAA टेस्ट ऑफ सिमिलैरिटी. नाउ फॉर अ गिवन correspondence of vertices, when corresponding angles of two triangles are congruent, then two triangles are similar. मतलब किसी भी दो ट्राइंगल्स में अगर 1-to-1 correspondence हम लोग चेक करें तो ये एंगल A congruent है एंगल P से, एंगल B congruent है एंगल Q से, and angle C congruent है एंगल R से. So you can understand from the identical marks. Okay, so in both these triangles, the triangle ABC and triangle PQR, one can say that ABC corresponds to PQR, and if angle A is congruent to angle P, angle B is congruent to angle Q, and angle C is congruent to angle R, then triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Now from this AAA test of similarity, you can get it AA test of similarity. So when two angles of a triangle are congruent to two corresponding angles of another triangle, then remaining angle of first triangle is congruent to the remaining angle of the second triangle. मतलब अगर हम एज्यूम करें कि से सपोज फर्स्ट ट्राइंगल में दो एंगल्स का टोटल है 110 डिग्री, तो हमें मालूम है कि सम ऑफ द मेजर्स ऑफ ऑल एंगल्स ऑफ अ ट्राइंगल इज 180 डिग्री, तो रिमेनिंग थर्ड एंगल होगा 70 डिग्री. सिमिलरली अगर हम वैसे ही देखें किसी दूसरे ट्राइंगल में भी दो एंगल्स का टोटल अगर 110 डिग्री होता है तो उसका भी रिमेनिंग एंगल होगा 70 डिग्री. मतलब इस फर्स्ट ट्राइंगल के थर्ड एंगल से सेकेंड ट्राइंगल का थर्ड एंगल जो कि दोनों 70 डिग्री है वो अपने आप कॉन्ग्रुएंट हो जाते हैं. तो हमें यहाँ पे AAA मतलब AAA टेस्ट की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी अगर हमारे दो एंगल्स भी कॉन्ग्रुएंट हो गए तो. एंड दैट इज व्हाई वी गॉट अ टेस्ट ऑफ AA टेस्ट फॉर सिमिलैरिटी ऑफ ट्राइंगल्स. This means when two angles are of one triangle are congruent to two corresponding angles of another triangle, then this condition is sufficient for similarity of two triangles. मतलब अगर किसी भी ट्रायंगल में अगर दो एंगल्स दूसरे ट्रायंगल से कॉन्ग्रुएंट हो गए तो इतनी कंडीशन सफिशिएंट है हमें दोनों ट्रायंगल्स को सिमिलर प्रूव करने में. नाउ वी आर गोइंग फॉर द सेकेंड टेस्ट ऑफ सिमिलैरिटी ऑफ ट्रायंगल्स, दैट इज SAS टेस्ट. SAS मतलब क्या? तो साइड, एंगल, साइड. यहां पे खास ध्यान रखना है कि जब आपको SAS बोला है तो दो साइड के बीच का एंगल ही हमें लेना है. ओके, यू कांट टेक एनी अदर एंगल. यहां पे for a given correspondence of vertices of two triangles, if two pairs of corresponding sides are in same proportion and the angles between them are congruent, then the two triangles are similar. For example, यहां पे आप देख सकते हो दो ट्रायंगल्स दिए हुए हैं, ट्रायंगल KLM and triangle RST. Here you can see angle KLM is congruent to angle RST through the identical mark you can understand, and the measurement of KL is 2 and the measurement of RS is 3. So the ratio is KL upon RS is equal to 2 upon 3. And now if you check, LM is 4, here you can check, and ST is 6. So 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. Ultimately this is also 2 upon 3. It means the sides are in same proportion. यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो KL upon RS का रेशियो था 2 upon 3, LM upon ST का भी रेशियो 2 upon 3. अगर दोनों का रेशियो सेम है then these ratios are equal. So KL upon RS is equal to LM upon ST, और इनके बीच का एंगल ये यहाँ पे कॉन्ग्रुएंट है. ओके, और ये हमें कैसे पता चला? तो आइडेंटिकल मार्क्स है. सो ये कंडीशन में हम कह सकते हैं कि दोनों ट्रायंगल SAS टेस्ट ऑफ सिमिलैरिटी से दोनों ट्रायंगल सिमिलर है. सो ये था आपका SAS टेस्ट ऑफ सिमिलैरिटी ऑफ ट्रायंगल्स. सो यहां पे आप समझ सकते हो कि फर्स्ट टेस्ट में भी AAA टेस्ट में जहां पे आपने देखा कि टोटली 6 कंडीशंस है. अगर 6 कंडीशंस है तो AAA एंड साइड्स आर प्रोपोर्शन, एंगल्स आर कॉन्ग्रुएंट, बस उतना ही सफिशिएंट था. और सो उसी AAA टेस्ट ऑफ सिमिलैरिटी ऑफ ट्रायंगल्स से हमें AA टेस्ट फॉर सिमिलैरिटी ऑफ ट्रायंगल्स मिला. एंड देन वी हैव सीन द second test, SAS test of similarity of triangles. In this you have seen that two sides should be proportionate and the angles between them must be congruent. तो बस ये 3 conditions अगर satisfied हो गई तो दोनों triangles यहाँ पे similar हो गए. And now we will move towards the third test of similarity of triangles. Meanwhile, you have to write from the board. After understanding the two tests of similarity of triangles, now we will understand the third test of similarity of triangles. And the name of the third test is SSS. It means side, side, side. Let's see. For a given correspondence of vertices of two triangles, when 3 sides of a triangle are in proportion to corresponding 3 sides of another triangle, then the two triangles are similar. So यहाँ पे टेस्ट में क्या बताया जा रहा है कि जैसे अगर किसी ट्रायंगल्स के तीनों करस्पॉन्डिंग साइड्स दूसरे ट्रायंगल्स के तीनों करस्पॉन्डिंग साइड्स से अगर प्रोपोर्शनेट है तो वो दोनों ट्रायंगल्स SSS टेस्ट से सिमिलर है. सो लेट्स सी द एग्जांपल. इफ इन ट्रायंगल PQR एंड ट्रायंगल XYZ, यहां पे आप देख रहे हो ट्रायंगल PQR एंड ट्रायंगल XYZ, PQ upon XY is equal to 3 upon 6. आप देख रहे हो यहाँ पे मेजरमेंट PQ is how much? 3. and xy is 6. So 3 upon 6 means 1 upon 2. QR upon YZ. So QR is 2.5 and YZ is 5. So you can see here 1 upon 2. Because the half of 5 is 2.5. So if we assume 2.5 is 1, then 5 is 2. Or you can say simply 2.5 ones are 2.5 and 2.5 twos are 5. So here also we are getting the ratio 1 upon 2 like this. Here 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. 2.5 ones are 2.5 and 2.5 twos are 5. Now we will see PR and XZ. So PR is 5 and XZ is 10. So PR is 5 and XZ is 10. So 5 upon 10. So 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. So again 1 upon 2. So if you notice here, all the ratios have their final values 1 upon 2. It means we can say that PQ upon XY is equal to QR upon YZ is equal to PR upon XZ. So all these ratios is equal to 1 upon 2. Therefore, we can say that all ratios are equal. So PQ upon XY is equal to QR upon YZ is equal to PR upon XZ. So if three ratios, the sides of three ratios are equal, so we can say that both the triangles are similar by S.S.S test of similarity of triangles. So here we have written that triangle PQR is similar to triangle XYZ. So here we have learned three tests of similarity of triangles. The first test, AAA test. Out of that we got AA test. Then second test, SAS test. And the third one, SSS test of similarity of triangles. Now we will learn the new concept, that is properties of similar triangles. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle ABC. As you know that every triangle is similar to itself. This is called as reflexivity. Then second, if triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF, then triangle DEF is similar to triangle ABC. This is to be called as symmetry. So if first triangle is similar to second triangle, then second triangle is also similar to first triangle. So we call it as symmetry. Now the third one, if triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF and triangle DEF is similar to triangle GHI, then triangle ABC is similar to triangle GHI. So if first triangle is similar to second triangle and the second triangle is similar to third triangle, then first triangle is similar to third triangle. So here you can see triangle ABC is similar to triangle GHI. So we call it as transitivity. And now we will start with the practice set 1.3. Question number 1. In a given figure, angle ABC is equal to 75 degree. Angle EDC is equal to 75 degree. Here you can notice in this diagram, angle ABC, B is how much? Angle B is 75 degree and angle D is also 75 degree. Here, state which two triangles are similar and by which test. Also, write the similarity of these two triangles by a proper 1-to-1 correspondence. So we should write that the proper similarity. So we can say here in triangle ABC and triangle EDC, angle ABC is congruent to angle EDC. This is 75 degree. So here you can notice angle ABC is also 75 degree and angle EDC is also 75 degree. And you can notice here the one triangle, that is triangle EDC, lies in the bigger triangle ABC. So दोनों के नाम में आपको एक चीज कॉमन मिल रही है and that is the C. Here you can notice. So it means that this angle is common in both the triangles. So ये एंगल जो कॉमन है वो यहाँ पे हम लोग लेंगे. So angle ACB, we just turn up. Okay, angle ACB, we want C in the middle because we are focusing on angle C. So similarly we will do here also angle ECD. And the reason is common angle. So both the triangles are similar, that is triangle ABC similar to triangle EDC by AA test of similarity. So यहाँ पे आपको पता चल रहा है कि दोनों ट्राइंगल सिमिलर है by AA test of similarity. And whenever you find this type of triangles, that is a small triangle lies in the bigger triangle, तो आपको जो तीन टेस्ट है उन तीन टेस्ट में कि मैं कौन से टेस्ट यूज करूं, जब क्वेश्चन आता है तो आपको यहाँ पे हिंट मिल रही है कि एक एंगल का मेजरमेंट आपको दोनों ट्राइंगल में दे दिया है। जैसे अगर हम यहाँ पे देखें तो एंगल बी एंड एंगल डी, और अगर एक ट्राइंगल दूसरे ट्राइंगल के अंदर है इसका मतलब 100% एक एंगल कॉमन है। और अगर हम दो एंगल्स को कॉन्ग्रुएंट प्रूव कर देते हैं तो हम AA टेस्ट ऑफ सिमिलैरिटी से इन दोनों ट्राइंगल्स को सिमिलर प्रूव कर सकते हैं। सो दैट्स द थिंग, हियर वी हैव डन इट बाय AA टेस्ट ऑफ सिमिलैरिटी, बोथ द ट्राइंगल्स आर सिमिलर। सो हमें ये ध्यान रखना है, हमें एग्जाम में कैसे पता चलेगा, स्टूडेंट्स हैव लॉट ऑफ प्रॉब्लम्स कि सर हमें कैसे पता चलेगा टेस्ट कौन सी कैसे अप्लाई करें। सो ये आपके लिए हिंट है और इसीलिए मैंने आपको पहले तीन टेस्ट बता दी। AA टेस्ट जो AAA टेस्ट से ही आया हुआ है, सो AA टेस्ट से हमने AA टेस्ट लिया, सो AA टेस्ट ऑफ सिमिलैरिटी, देन सेकंड वन इज SAS एंड थर्ड वन इज SSS टेस्ट ऑफ सिमिलैरिटी। जब यहाँ पे किसी साइड का कोई आइडेंटिकल मार्क नहीं दिया है, ना कोई एंगल में भी एक ही मिल रहा है, पर आपको दूसरा एंगल समझ में आ रहा है कि एक ट्राइंगल जब दूसरे ट्राइंगल के अंदर है तो एक कॉमन एंगल बनता है, और वही कॉमन एंगल हम यहाँ पे लेके इसको AA टेस्ट ऑफ सिमिलैरिटी से प्रूव कर सकते हैं। So this is the logic how we can find out that both the triangles are similar. How we can find out? So by looking at the diagram you can see that दोनों triangles में AA test of similarity possible है। So here we have proved that triangle ABC is similar to triangle EDC by AA test of similarity. Now we are solving question number 2 of practice set 1.3. Let's see, here one triangle is given to you, triangle PQR, and the measurement of PQ is 6 units, measurement of QR is 8 units, and measurement of PR is 10 units. Here you can see the second triangle. In triangle LMN, LM is equal to 3 units, MN is equal to 4 units, and LN is equal to 5 units. So the question is, are the triangles in a given figure similar? So first we have to see that here the three sides, the measurement of three sides are given. So we have a three test. First is AAA test, from that we got AA test of similarity, second is SAS test, and the third one is SSS test. So when three sides, the measurement of three sides are given, we can understand it must be similar by SSS test of similarity. If it is so, if not, then other test there is no use of it, because even the measurement of single angle is not given. So here only one test which have sides, that is third test, SSS test of similarity. So let's see, one by one we will check all the ratios, and if all the ratios of first triangle and the second triangle are equal, then we can say that both the triangles are similar by SSS test of similarity. So let's see here, the first one is PQ upon LM. So PQ is 6 and LM is 3, so we can say that 3 ones are and 3 twos are, so 2 upon 1. Now I am taking the second one. Here also I can see that it is exactly double. So QR upon MN. You can see that MN is 4 and QR is 8, which is exactly double. And from here if you see, it is exactly half. So QR is 8 Mn is 4, so it is again 2 upon 1. Now let's check the third one, PR upon Ln. PR is 10 and Ln is 5, so again 2 upon 1. So all the ratios are equal. We are giving the numbers to all the ratios. Now from 1, 2 and 3 we can say that all ratios are equal. So these are all equal. So PQ upon LM is equal to QR upon MN is equal to PR upon LN. From 1, 2 and 3. So we can say that both the triangles, triangle PQR is similar to triangle LMN by S.S.S test of similarity. So here we have proved that both the triangles are similar and they are similar by S.S.S test of similarity. Now we will move towards the next sum. In a question number 3, as shown in a given figure, two poles of height 8 meter and 4 meter are perpendicular to the ground. Perpendicular means it makes an angle of 90 degree with the ground. If the length of the shadow of smaller pole due to sunlight is 6 meter, then how long will be the shadow of the bigger pole at the same time? तो हमें यहाँ पे बताना है कि जो बिगर पोल है उसका शैडो कितना लंबा होगा। वैसे हम जानते हैं कि कोई भी दो पोल्स अगर परपेंडिकुलर है मीन्स दे आर स्ट्रेट, सो देयर शैडोज मस्ट आल्सो बी इन प्रोपोर्शनेट। सो जो इनके शैडो से जो ट्राइंगल्स बनेंगे वो क्या होंगे, सिमिलर। और अगर ये दोनों सिमिलर है तो हम इजीली इसका आंसर निकाल सकते हैं। अगर ये यहाँ पे 4 का डबल 8 है तो 6 का डबल क्या होना चाहिए, 12 मीटर। सो we can easily find out the answer of this question is 12 meter. Now let's solve it in a step-by-step form. So here in triangle PQR and triangle ABC, we can say that AC is a bigger pole having height of 8 meter, and you can see here PR is a smaller pole having height of 4 meter. The shadow of smaller pole is 6 meter. So we can say that AC is equal to 8 meter, PR is equal to 4 meter, QR is equal to 6 meter. Now we have to provide a proper statement. So here we can see the two triangles formed due to two different perpendicular poles, that is at 90° and shadows cast by them are at the same time must be similar to each other. So we can say that here triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. If these two triangles are similar, then their ratios must be equal. So we can say that AC upon PR, AC upon PR must be equal to BC upon QR. Corresponding sides of similar triangle. And now you can see the measurement of AC is 8, the measurement of PR is 4, and the measurement of BC assumed as X meter and QR as 6 meter, which is given to you. So we have to solve it. Now X is equal to cross multiplication 8 into 6 divided by 4. So 4 ones are and 4 twos are. So we got the value of X as 2 into 6. So X is equal to 12 meter. Now we have to write the final answer. The length of the shadow of the bigger pole is 12 meter. So here we have completed the third sum. We are doing now question number 4 of practice set 1.3. In this sum, here you can see a triangle is given to you. In triangle ABC, AP is perpendicular to BC and BQ is perpendicular to AC. It means here we are making a 90-degree angle. BPC are collinear. You can see that they are in a one single line, and AQC are collinear. They are also in one single line. That is, they are collinear. And Q lies in between A and C. Here P lies in between B and C. Then prove that triangle CPA is similar to triangle CQB. आपको prove करना है triangle CPA is similar to triangle CQB. So this triangle, here the same triangle I have drawn here in different ways. So I have divided these two triangles in separate separate way. So complete triangle को हमने divide कर दिया है as per our requirement. So now here it is given as if AP is equal to 7. So please you can check here, AP is equal to 7, BQ is equal to 8, BC is equal to 12. Then find AC. We have to find out this AC. We have to find out AC. So first we have to prove that triangle CPA is similar to triangle CQB. So you can see here triangle CPA, in triangle CPA and triangle CQB. Here we have drawn it separately. So you can see here CPA is itself a 90 degree, and here you can see that in triangle CQB it is also 90 degree. So each 90 degree. An angle, here you can see the second angle which is common in both. So यहाँ पे आपको C, angle C जो common मिल रहा है, so that we will write it here. Angle ACP is congruent to angle BCQ, which is a common angle. Therefore, we can say that both the triangles are similar. That is, triangle CPA is similar to triangle CQB by AA test of similarity. This we have done in the earlier sum also. मैंने तभी आपको बताया था कि जब भी कोई एक एंगल का मेजरमेंट दिया हो और एक बड़े एंगल के अंदर, अगर बड़े ट्रायंगल के अंदर कोई दूसरा ट्रायंगल हो तो दोनों ट्रायंगल सिमिलर होंगे AA टेस्ट ऑफ सिमिलैरिटी से. एंड नाउ if we knows that both the triangles are similar, then we can take the corresponding sides. So you can take alphabetically also. So AP upon BQ, then PC upon QC, and AC upon BC. So हमने corresponding sides find out कर लिए of similar triangles, and here we want AC. So we will take this part AC upon BC, and the measurement of AP and BQ is given. So we will take this part AP upon BQ, that is 7 upon 8. So AC is equal to 7 into 12 divided by 8. We know that here we can do the cancellation. 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12. So 7 3s are 21 upon 2, and half of the 21 is 10.5 units. So हमने यहाँ पे AC find out कर लिया. But to find out AC, first we prove that both the triangles are similar, that is triangle CPA and triangle CQB. So हमने triangle CPA और triangle CQB को similar prove किया by taking AA test of similarity. उसके लिए हमारे पास एक पॉइंट था that both these angles are 90 degree, and angle C which is common in both the triangles. So after taking both the triangles as similar, we found the corresponding sides. In that we have taken AC upon BC. Why? Because we want to find out AC, and AP upon BQ हमें दिया हुआ है तो उसके मेजरमेंट लिए. PC upon QC ना हमें उसमें कुछ फाइंड आउट करना है और ना ही हमें वो दिया है मेजरमेंट, सो इट इज नॉट नीडेड. So out of 4 values, if you know 3 values, then you can find out the 4th value by doing cross multiplication. The same thing which we have done here. So AC is equal to 7 into 12 divided by 8. So 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, so 7 3s are 21 divided by 2. So it is 10.5 units. Now we will solve question number 5, which is very easy. Here you can do it, this sum, very easily. Now we will go for question number 5. In a trapezium PQRS, side PQ is parallel to side SR. AR is equal to 5 times AP. AS is equal to 5 times AQ. Then prove that SR is equal to 5 times PQ. Given in a trapezium PQRS, side PQ is parallel to side SR. AR is equal to 5 times AP. AS is equal to 5 times AQ. Prove that SR is equal to 5 times PQ. यहाँ पे हमें जो गिवन है उस पर से ही हमें हिंट लेके आगे बढ़ना है. सो फर्स्ट हिंट इज गिवन टू यू दैट AR is equal to 5 times AP. सो यहाँ पे हम रेशियो फाइंड आउट करते हैं. So AR upon AP is equal to 5 upon 1. This AP I have taken in the denominator. And the same thing, if you see here, AS is equal to 5 times AQ, which is given to you. So you can say that AS upon AQ is equal to 5 upon 1. Now from 1 and 2, you can say that in triangle ARS and triangle APQ, AR upon AP is equal to AS upon AQ from 1 and 2. So ये हमने triangle के naming decide किए A, R और S. Numerator we have to find out. अगर उसमें A रिपीट हो रहा है तो मैं उसे छोड़ दूंगा, ARS APQ. Okay, so I have taken the second triangle from the denominator, that APQ. So यहाँ पे हमें पता चल रहा है from 1 and 2 that both these ratios are equal, and whenever some cross is given, remember vertically opposite angles will work out. So यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो एंगल RAS is congruent to angle PAQ, vertically opposite angles. So both the triangles are similar by S.S. test of similarity. Now, after proving that both the triangles are similar, we can find out the corresponding sides. तो यहाँ पे हमने corresponding sides देखे AR upon AP and SR upon QP. You can check that AR upon AP and SR upon QP. So AR upon AP, we know that this is pi upon 1, and SR upon QP is, we want to prove it. Okay, and so here when you do the cross multiplication, you can say that SR into 1 is SR and phi into QP is pi QP, and we want to prove that SR is equal to 5 times PQ. So instead of QP I will write PQ. So the final answer is SR is equal to 5 times PQ. So here we have proved that SR is equal to 5 times PQ. Thank you.